Full mount. Person mounts on you, immediately hands on hands, sensing their hands. As one hand finds its way to the collar, I shadow it and I'm blocking the other bicep. Rotate, I'm blocking here. As he comes over, my second hand grabs it, control the wrist, hold the tricep, hold the gi, roll him out. If he comes under, rotate, I want to slow him down. Come under, I'm going to stop him. If he gets in, I grab this and I grab here. If when he comes underneath, come under, actually grabs my collar, I grab his wrist, grab his tricep, and roll him out. Once we're here, he crosses his feet, I keep the wrist so he can't improve the choke, grab the collar, do the amasapon. He lets go, I'm on his hands right here. From his hands, grips his arm free. One hand goes to my collar, so I block the other bicep. He comes over, I grab the wrist, hold the tricep, I hold. He pulls the arm out because he can't free it, I go back to the hands. His hands back on the collar, I hold it again, come underneath, block it early. Or if he gets under, pinch on it, grab it. Or if he gets under, he grabs my gi, hold this, pull the slack out, put the pressure on. He lets go, always back to here, always hands on hands. Okay, learn this, own this. Thank you.